Facing drug charges in Sherburne County, Minnesota? What you need to know. If you're dealing with drug-related charges in Sherburne County, Minnesota, it's crucial to have a skilled and experienced drug crime attorney by your side. Understanding drug charges. Drug offenses can lead to severe consequences, including fines, probation, and prison sentences. Charges range from possession and possession with intent to sell to drug trafficking, manufacturing, and prescription drug crimes. Specialized legal support. Barry Hogen, a trusted name in the legal community, specializes in drug cases. With a deep understanding of local laws and regulations, he's committed to protecting your rights and exploring all available options. Comprehensive defense. Barry Hogen Law handles a wide range of drug cases, including possession, trafficking, manufacturing, and prescription drug fraud. We develop tailored strategies to mitigate the impact of charges and work tirelessly to uncover weaknesses in the prosecution's case. If you're facing drug charges in Sherburne County, Minnesota, don't wait. Contact Barry Hogen Law today for skilled legal representation. Visit our website at www.barryhogenlaw.com for more information. Your future matters, and we're here to help you protect it. Call us now to secure the strong legal representation you deserve.